Subscribe the channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Get ready. Start. My dear brothers and sisters. Para. I am glad to be with you all this morning and to spend a few happy hours in your midst. I thank the executive committee of the Shorthand Writers Association for giving me this opportunity to speak to you rather intimately and also to give you some guidelines which may be useful to you in your ensuing examination. Para. At the outset, I would like to say a few words about the association. This association has gone through difficult times and earned a goodwill unshakable through its rigorous efforts under stress and strain. In regard to this shorthand classes also, it has a good reputation for the past 3 decades, turning out a good number of students successfully through the examinations. I have no doubt that it will continue to maintain the same in future also. Para. Now, I would like to say a few words to all those shorthand writers who are present this morning. I am very pleased indeed to see so many of you, and I trust that you are going to be most successful in the shorthand examination next week. During my informal discussion with the honorary president of this association, I was informed that the entires are very much as compared with last year and as compared with the year before. As promised, we shall take step to complete valuation of the papers as soon as possible, and I do not think that is my doubt that the results will be declared by the end of July. Para. It is important that you bring with you a notebook containing first rate paper for your notes and that you ensure that your pen is in first rate condition. During the next few days, you should take step to practice your shorthand both with your teacher in the class and also from the tape recorder, and also I would advise you to practice difficulty drills as much as you can. Para. There is no time to waste if you are to do well in the examinations next week, and I feel certain that you are going to do as well as can be expected from you. The Shorthand Writers Association has got an excellent reputation through the past, and I am certain that you are worthy representatives of the association. Para. Before we are concluding this informal meeting this morning, I wish the association all success and all those shorthand students present here success not only in the forthcoming shorthand examinations but in all their future endeavors. Thank you.